Hello everyone and welcome back to the another weekly analysis video. So in this video today we're gonna discuss about long-term perspective, uh, weekly perspective, and in the lower time perspective as well. So as per previous week analysis video, we were actually discussing about this area. So as soon as we're gonna get closer above this area, basically we're gonna look for the buying setups toward 5000, which indeed we done in the live sessions as well. So I hope everybody managed to take a position in this exact zone. After the breakout, market create a small demand zone in a lower time frame or in a 4-hour time frame as well. After the breakout, it continued to create a new higher high. Now after the impulse, in 4 hours, market give us a small correction, a small pullback towards the zone, and continued its direction toward 5000 area. So now what we can see from this chart is like in the long term perspective, gold is always bullish. So how much gold can go? So let's see the weekly candle. So guys, so as we can see, this is the highest gain for the gold in a single week. So look, as you can see, none of the other candles are big enough in compared to this candle. Yes, we can see here at 4224 area, we can see a little bit bigger candle than others now, but we haven't seen this much big candle, which means now market is moving very aggressively, very fast towards a direction. So so it might be going up. So what we can expect, so how much we can expect gold to move forward, gold to go more high, how much we can expect the zone. So for that, what we can do, we can simply draw the Fibonacci from low to the high or high to the low. Then we're gonna find it out. So before than that, let's see in the monthly time frame. Why? Because this is the uh, last week of the month. So as we can see, this month in the monthly candle as well, so this is the highest gain for the gold. So this is the highest ever, guys. We are trading in a historic zone. So this is our historic zone for the monthly perspective as well. So gold has gained massive this month, 21st 2026 1st January. From that day, gold has keep on creating new higher high and continue its rally. So now as we can see, we are extremely in a bullish channel and in a bullish trend. So if how much we can expect more, so for that we have to go into the lower time frame. Yes, so this is the weekly one, so let's jump into the daily time frame. So after market has give us a break of structure in this zone, let me show you. Yes, market has given us a in this is the daily chart, guys. So market has given us a retracement in this zone. So after the retracement, market give us a breakout from this zone, come back to retrace in a smaller time frame and continue it towards its direction. So this is indicating the market will just gonna continue like this in the futures as well. So what are the possible level for the gold? So for that we still have to go into the lower time frame for. No, before than that, let me show you the bigger target. Bigger target for that. This was our retracement area. Yes, from here high to the low. Let's draw our Fibonacci channel. So yes, this is the exact Fibonacci levels. Now, how much we can expect for the gold to move higher after this bits of retracement? So first target was 4360, second was 4648. Now this is our three take profit third, and which is 5143 area, exactly 5143 area. I think we're gonna see this move on coming Monday. As soon as the market gonna open, we might see little bit of market gonna be little bit of volatile, maybe market run very fast, give us impulse to our 51 uh 51 543 or maybe 560 area. So in that zone, we can expect another retracement, another correction from the market, or if market give us a closure above 415, sorry, 5145 area, then we might see market continue towards 5674 levels, which is our next levels after this retracement. Yes, so this is what Fibonacci it's showing us. So now, how can we manage to catch up move in this whole waves? Yes, so that for that, what we can do is we can simply jump into the lower time frame and see which area possibly market can come back and give us a retrace. So this was our zone. I was waiting, basically I was waiting from last Monday. I was expecting from this zone as well, market can might give us pull back to this zone and create a support here and continue its structure, but market could not come into my zone. Instead, what market done is uh, break out, create a small demand zone and continue its structure, which was creating a higher high and higher low. After the creation of highlight, they try to come back to my zone, but they could not do that from here. So after that, after the breakout of this zone, exactly, I gave this level for everyone to buy towards 4950 area. This was our first TP. So and then after taking our first take profit area, market again come back to retest the breakup structure zone. So let me clear all these lines. So yes, after breakout, market did come back to retest the zone, and this was our exactly second positions to for 5000 for 5000 first target, and 5050 is our next target, which is still running on. So I hope everybody is holding their position from here with our stop loss is currently above there. If market gonna come against us, then we're gonna uh, stay out from the market with a small bit of profit. Yes. Okay, so this is what we did in last week. So what we can expect for this week? So still now, till now, if market can come go push up towards 4150 area and give us a pullback to our zone, which was our actual zone breakup structure has happened here in a higher time frame as well. Uh, or from a long-term perspective as well. So if market could possibly come back to our zone, which is 4600, and give us a retrace next week, then it would be really amazing buy towards 5500 and possibly like 5000, sorry, uh 58 or maybe further 6000. So now we need to be extremely careful, guys, because gold has been extremely overbought for over 3 years. So in such phase, like gold is running its phase for almost 3 years. So usually, normally, like these types of cycles has happens for almost a minimum for 3 years, or maybe in long term. These cycles might go up to 5 years. Why? How and why? Because I have gone through the history. I have seen the chart from last 50 to 100 years. Every once 100 year or 200-year market has been in a bullish trend like this. So it's not the first time. So but definitely it's a history. We are taking the part as well. We are also the part of this history. So definitely it's a history, and we are seeing it. So if we get bullish cycle for whole this year, then we might see uh 2027s as the final stage of bullish cycle. Yes, so this is our long-term perspective. So we might still has to be careful in this zone, because gold has been already overbought for us. uh, so why gold is extremely bullish like this? I hope everybody knows it's because of the geopolitics and all the aspects going on worldwide. So you have to be a little bit updated in those sites as well. But if you are just intraday traders or like retailers, then it does not really matters to you. What you can say, what you can expect from the market is simply 100 pips or 100 point, which you can get easily in any types of market conditions. So For that, what you can do is simply join my channel, my free telegram group. You can get all the free analysis and daily intraday label as well. So let me see in the 1 hour time frame, let me give you a couple of labels. Okay, so as much as the gold is above this high, market didn't, if market would not come below than this level, then still we are expecting gold to continue higher high towards 5,000 first target and 5,500, sorry, 5,300 and 5,500 extended target. Yes, so market is still bullish until market is above this line. Market is still up than this line, then this area which is 4959 area, then we can expect is, what you can expect is simply market to continue like this. So that's what I'm expecting in 1 hour. So let's jump into the 15 minutes. Maybe we can find out a couple of supply and demand zones. So yeah, market has basically done a breakup structure in this zone. Let me draw the line. Yes, this is our breakup structure zone, and market come back to retest in a 15 minutes. So yes, and after the retest, this is our head and shoulder pattern, guys. So this is our first shoulder and this is our second shoulder. So after the creation of head and shoulder, what market do basically continue its momentum, continue its trend. That's what I'm expecting in the opening. I think as soon as market gonna open, they're gonna continue give us a gap opening like this and continue higher high. So until and unless market is above this line, which is 4954 area, we need to look for the buying position. We need to look for the buy. But remember, guys, it's not for the long terms. You should not look for the long terms now, because market is already extremely above. So here we have to be careful, because we are trading in the very top high, very high levels, guys. So I hope everybody will gonna understand this. And if market can, let me see in the 5 minutes, if market can come back to this smaller time, let me see, let me give you the exact point. Yes, if market can come back to this zone again like this, then we might uh, take our exact buy entry in 4977 area. So if so that's what we are looking for next week, for coming Monday for the opening session. And if market give us a break below this zone, then what we can expect is simply market to continue for the deeper correction. So I'm gonna update as soon as market gonna open and how they gonna be reacting in this zone. Then I'll keep you update in my telegram group. So hurry up and don't miss the don't miss to join my telegram group. Yes, so yes, that's what I'm looking for the next week, guys. So already breakup structure has happened in a 15 minutes. So I think market will not come back to this zone. I think market will continue to create a higher high. So basically nobody knows, so we just gonna know after the market gonna create this structure. I see. Yeah, we're gonna figure it out on the opening session. So yes, that's it for today, and that's what we are looking for next week. And as usual, guys, trading is reactive, not predictive. So stop predicting a market. Instead, start learning the chart, start learning the structure, and trade how the smart money how the smart money are trading. So basically, have a nice day, have a nice weekend, and don't forget to join my telegram group. See you next week, and I hope gold gonna give us full gold gonna give us our target, which is 5,050 and 5,300 area. And have a nice weekend. See you next week.